Alright, here we are with the magic toolbox, picking the next item that we are going to restore. I have not sure what it's going to be. Let's see. We just did a pair of slides not too long ago. We could do a box wrench just for fun. I can't even see what the sizes are on this. Can't see the make on this. Okay, see that one? We could do this old leverage lug. I mean, you don't want a lug wrench that size. Gonna save the scissors, gonna save the big pipe here, gonna save the big crescent. Alright, one of these two. I'm gonna go with the lug. Let's go with the lug. Alright, we'll do that next. Gonna give this guy his vinegar bath. Like I say in every video, I use vinegar because I'm too cheap for anything else. This one's gonna sit for a while, honestly, because I won't be able to get home from work until at least 6 o'clock probably tomorrow, and I won't even get to work on it until then. So this thing's gonna sit in a vinegar bath. Honestly, it's 4:34 Eastern right now. This is gonna get a 24-hour vinegar bath, which is ridiculously excessive, but hey, if you don't have time, you don't have time. All right. After what time is it? 6:15 Eastern. After a 26-hour vinegar bath, because honestly, I didn't have time to touch it till now. I just left it in there. I'm gonna pull her out. Look how clean it already is. That's just from the vinegar. Drop it on my scrub block, and that, compared to what we had in the beginning, is a pretty good start. And that's it. She's all done.